Hello friends, so today we are going to learn about hydropower. Hydropower is energy that comes from the force of moving water. So I will show you that how we can generate electricity from flowing water. So let's see what are the various components are needed to create this hydropower model. So these are the various components, so let's see one by one. This is turbine, dynamo, LEDs, wires, brackets, rubber, platform, steel rod and bushes and strips. So now we will fix two metal brackets using the bolt and nut. So these are the two brackets, one is L-shaped and other one is C-shaped. We will place C-shaped bracket over the L-shaped bracket. After inserting the screw from bottom, let's tighten the screw like this. Now we will insert steel rod in turbine. Also make sure insert small plastic bushes as well on both sides of steel rod so that it can properly fixed between the C-shaped bracket. Now we will insert turbine between the holes of C-shaped brackets. Now we will fix dynamo on L-shaped bracket. Make sure that pulley of both dynamo and turbine should be on same side. Now stretch the rubber band and pass it over small pulley of the dynamo. Now we will insert LEDs in platform sheet. Make sure that all positive legs of LEDs should be on same side. The bigger leg of LED is called positive terminal and smaller one is called negative terminal. Now we will connect all positive and negative terminals of LEDs using the separate steel wire. After connecting all positive and negative terminals with steel wire, let's connect the two rubber wire, red one to the positive side of LED and black one to the negative side of LED. Now connect the both rubber wire to the terminal of dynamo. Now if we will rotate the turbine by hand, you can see LEDs are glowing. If it does not glow, try to tighten the wire, connect to the dynamo or try to rotate turbine in other direction. Hey, our model is ready to test. Let's test the model by putting it under water tap. You can see when flowing water strikes the turbine blades, turbine and big pulley start rotating. This gives several rotation to the dynamo which produces electricity and LEDs glow. Thank you. Thanks for watching.